Hello everyone, I am Pavithra. I am working at Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science at Department of Commerce with IT. Previously talked about data analytics skills needed by accountants. This class has been follow up data and relationship in a relational databases. The relational databases means the relational databases means data is organized into tables, the each consisting of rows and columns. So the relationship among these tables are established to efficiently manage and receive data. Here, detailed look data and relationships in a relational databases. So the relational databases means in a defining about there is a structured data set is usually electronically written in a computer system and stored as the data with their primary purpose being to maintain, keep and extract data. Correctly databases are important. In many practical situations, the data is never is an isolated file and its corrections may be hidden. Occurrence of patterns in the data is important to identify. For effective data management, here enters the word of data relationships in your databases. What is a relationship in your databases means the DBMS exist when the variable has a connection with the properties stored in different tables, such as help the organization of entities intertwined with each other. The ultimately enabling efficient data processing, they are usually via keys in a table. Another example of one thing can in the university databases can student courses and the instructors variably might become tables. So the relationship between the two tables is that courses indicate which courses the student can enroll in. The database management facilitates the reliable data and performance of complex operations due to fact that is coordinates the quality of identify to the data. So what are the relationships important in a databases means the six to seven steps of the relationships in a databases, the tables and the rows and the columns and attributes of the relational means. Relationships are crucial in a database for several reasons. First of all, one data integrity. The data integrity means the relationship make the necessary links between the data sets, ensure that the information kept in the joined together accurate and efficient data retrieval. The relationship permits to the complete search and data among multiple tables. Third one, normalization. Relations remain priorities. Fourth one, complex data analysis. Relationships empowers users for state of the art querying. Then scalability, it has turned out that well-defined relationships in their turn are the key issues of the relationship databases. Rows into an instance of the data. Each row in a table presents single instance of the entity containing data and each attribute defined by the columns. So the column means fields. Attributes column represent the attributes of the entity such as name, address, price. Each column has a specified data type, integer, varchar or data. So the varchar integer means the numeric values. Varchar means the variable and characters. Use the next one, primary key. So the primary key means uniquely identified. A primary key is a column or combination of columns that uniquely identifies each row or in ensure that the two rows have the same foreign primary key value. So the next one, foreign key. A foreign key means referentially integrity. A foreign key is a column or set of columns in one table that references the primary key in of another table. The establishes of a relationship between the two tables of the